Hello friends, welcome to Umadevi Children Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So this Heisenberg uncertainty principle has the challenge the Bohr's model of atom. When the de Broglie explained that the electron which is behave as a both particle as well as wave nature form. After that, the Heisenberg explained that when it is impossible to determine the position as well as momentum. Momentum means mass into velocity. Right? It is impossible to determine the position and momentum of electrons simultaneously. Right? The exact position when electrons are rotating around the nucleus, the exact position of electrons and their velocity to determine simultaneously position and their velocity determined simultaneously, that is impossible. That is explained by the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Right, students? So this statement he mathematically expressed that delta x into delta p, delta x position uncertain position, delta p uncertain momentum is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. H is a Planck constant value. Right. So delta x is the uncertain position, not fixed position. Delta p is the uncertain momentum. Right. Okay, what he explained, when if the position of electron is high degree accuracy, if you want to find the position of electrons at the exact position, if the then it's very small, the electron is very small value, you want to find out the exact position, then velocity should be very large. Velocity is so large, very high speed. Every microscopic particles, their speed is very large. Electron is a microscopic particle, so that's why its speed is so large. So speed is large means we can't able to find out the exact velocity, right? If velocity of the electrons is degree of accuracy, if you want to find the accurate velocity, of electrons, right? Accurate velocity is very small. If velocity is very small, then the position is large. If the position of electron is very large, the highly occupying on the orbit, then the velocity is very degree of accuracy. Velocity is very small if you want to find the exact position. It means when we are try to find out the exact position, then velocity is uncertain. Velocity increases. If you want to find out the exact velocity, then the position is very small. That's right. So this is about the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Whenever the atom is the one of the microscopic particles. In that atoms, whatever the subatomic particles are there, they very small. They very small particles, microscopic particles. So that microscopic particles exact position, if you want to find, means exact position means if you consider if you want to find the exact position of electrons, then the delta x is should be considered as a 0, because it is a stationary state. If it's stationary state, the electrons occupying at the rest position, 0 position, then its position we have to be determined. Exact position of the electron is determined, right? If you want to determine the position, then velocity is very large. Because of the position of the microscopic particle very small, so that's why the velocity is very high, right? If you want to calculate the velocity, of the electrons, then position is very small. Position is inaccurate. Because it is microscopic particles. In which direction it will move, we can't able to determine that. Yes, students. So example, the thickness of the sheet is with unmarked sheet. It is similar to the he given example. The thickness of the paper sheet. You have to measure the thickness of paper sheet with unmarked sticks, unmarked meter sticks. So unmarked meter sticks through which we are measuring the thickness of the sheet. So value is inaccurate and meaningless. Right, students? So it is rule the significance of uncertainty principle is it is rule out the existence of definite path or trajectory of electron is very similar particles. It is rule out. It cannot follow the rule of the exact definite path. Whatever the Bohr has explained, it occupying the definite path. Electrons occupying the definite path, that is the 0.53 n square by z, so it occupying definite path, it cannot occupying the definite path. In this position it cannot be occupying. That explained by this first rule, right? So microscopic object, negligible. Macroscopic object, motion of microscopic object is negligible, right? Motion of microscopic object, the velocity of the microscopic object is negligible is very small, it is inaccurate, it is can't visible to our eyes, so that is the negligible for the microscopic object. Like that, the unmarked stick is the macroscopic object and thickness of sheet is the microscopic object, like this. And one more uncertainty is the milligram size of heavier object associated with the uncertainty real consequence. The heavier size of object associated with the uncertainty. Some heavier object, if any heavier object is there and their velocity is uncertain, velocity we can't able to find out. If the object is heavier, then their velocity is very negligible. So in case of microscopic object like electron, on the other hand, delta V, delta X obtain much larger in such certainty. The concept example, the electrons whose mass is 9.1 kilojoule. When we put the microscopic object of the electron mass, can be put into this formula. Then we got this value, though this value is very small, the velocity and position is very small, students. So we can't able to find out the exact position and momentum of electrons, right? So this is about the Heisenberg uncertainty principles. I hope you understood. Okay, thank you, students.